With Washington's agricultural diversity, it's no surprise that you can find incredible food all over the state. And today, we're in the small town of Soap Lake, where that diversity shines. Welcome to Cloudview Kitchen.
A lot of us are born and raised in this area.
Co-owner Blayne Walsh and his partners wanted to create a space centered around good food. And in a small community like Soap Lake, that's the perfect recipe for success.
This town specifically was yearning for the community to have a space to come together again. Just being around people and around, a tactile, delicious thing to connect on, it was absolutely beautiful.
Blayne brought out some mouth-watering pastries for me to try, starting with a special one with ham, Havarti cheese, and fresh asparagus grown from their own nearby farm.
Cheers.
Cheers indeed. The pastry on its own is delicious.
Yummy, huh?
Nice and flaky. Mixing in that wonderful asparagus, just give it that nice little fresh pop of flavor.
Absolutely. Asparagus has such a unique flavor, so it can enhance a lot of those savory dishes, but it kind of makes it a little bit more exotic. Isaac hand grew this, and so it makes it personal. Then it makes the whole experience different.
Soap Lake, right here.
I know.
Who would have guessed?
Represent.
I love it, man. In my opinion, baked goods are best shared with a friend, and I think Val would absolutely love these. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. No words needed. All you got to do is listen, and you know it's good.
It just does things to my tongue.
It's a great combination.
But it's like a vacation in my mouth.
Tell me what you think about that one.
Shut the front door.
I know.
Makes you wanna holla.
Pure Washington gold right there.
Heaven on a plate.
There it is. This is fantastic. If you're looking for the pastry of your life, come to Cloudview right here in Soap Lake.
You know it.
I'm gonna eat a few more of these. We'll see you guys later.